Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to another stream. We are so back with yet another grinding live stream. We're just gonna go ahead and continue where we left off, which was just doing web development stuff, sadly, but there's some Rust in there, so should be fun, I hope. Hey Mr. Dick, what's up? So yeah, it's Friday night almost, and yeah, I'm just gonna waste my youth in this endeavor basically. So gonna be fun, okay? Gonna be fun. How are you doing, Mr. Dick? Are you inside or are you in? What's poppin'? Dude, your name's so weird. Okay, I announced the stream on some socials and Discord. Let's see if people tune in actually, because I feel like everyone has just disappeared. But yeah, it is what it is, guys. So yeah, I have some plans for the stream. Decide what do you mean? Okay, nothing. We're gonna probably work on that website that I built, and I think it was in the previous stream, yeah. And yeah, we're just gonna do that probably. But if you have any other ideas, just go ahead and suggest them. I'm also down to answer any questions, anything. Just shoot them in the chat. Feel free to troll me in the meantime. I like my trolls. They are super creative, so please go ahead if you wanna troll me. But right now I'm just gonna dive right into it, okay? Meow. Okay, Ferris is saying meow, but Ferris is a crab, so I don't know. You're just conflicting yourself, Ferris. Yeah, and you have a cat cat girl profile picture. That makes sense. Okay, that's perfectly fine then. Okay, guys, I hope you have some water or something to hydrate, because that's really important. That's the official drink of the grind. Okay, you gotta just drink water. That should go into the grinding guidelines actually. We should probably add that somewhere. Okay, let's just go. Where's my video? Let me just turn it on. Okay, we are back. So guys, this project, you know, this beloved project, well done, says the grind. It has a really deep meaning you probably don't want to know. Okay, what are you talking about? Do you mean your name or? Okay, I'm a bit confused now. I don't know, I'm not following. But I want to know. Okay, so yeah, this beloved project that we are working on today, basically, and I think I want to first of all get rid of this rescale issue. Once again, this is like the fourth time that I'm going to take a look at this, and I don't want to like re-implement it from scratch every time. So hopefully I'm gonna find the race condition, and we will be able to push that as a fix and create a release so that our terminal collective website will be actually responsive. Right now it is not. Also, the constraints are just wrong. It is kind of responsive though, but not really. So yeah, that's the plan basically. I'm just gonna continue on my draft. Martin is not here today. I think he's just grinding on something else. So yeah, Martin is the guy who is responsible for all the important stuff in the project, basically like the web stuff. So just saying. And if you want to contribute, just go ahead. I would accept any contributions at this point. This project is super work in progress. So if you find a typo, just submit a PR. That's totally fine. I'm not gonna say something like, hey, this is a very small contribution, don't contribute. No, just contribute. Just go ahead and do it. All right, let me check my 1 second. I gotta check something. Okay, cool. Everything is fine. Let's dive into it. I gotta check out to this branch first of all. Git checkout, and maybe let's rebase this on main. What? Oh, okay, the servo stuff. Right. Okay, I gotta first remove them from my cargo config. If you remember it, yeah, no one was watching that stream, but like around the end of the last stream, I was doing some, not the last one, but like 2 streams ago, I was doing some servo stuff. So that's why I have these cargo dependency patches in cargo lock now. That's the reason. Without any Rust knowledge, I will put dot and dot at the end of sentences. Does that count? You're just puzzling me. What? I will put end of sentence. No, I don't know what you mean. That will just no. You can no. Maybe try semicolon. Not why dot? Why are you using dot? Semicolon makes more sense. No? I don't know. I think Rust will just accept you though. Did you manage to build the server ratatouille thing? Yeah, I managed to build it. Let me show it to you. It's not that shiny actually. I was expecting a bit more from this. So yeah, this is the thing. Go to URL, you put in your URL, and it's just gonna probably just parse it and just show it to you. So this is the servo ratatouille thing. Maybe I'm doing something wrong here. I don't know. I was expecting to get like a actual rendered content. I will play around with this a bit because I'm not sure if I did everything right. But this is what it is right now, and the repo is now updated, so you can also go ahead and build it and try it out for yourself. It is this one. Let me paste it here. All you gotta do is just clone the fork of servo to somewhere else, because there's a branch that you need to check out. Like it's a big project, right? So there's some custom modifications here and there probably. That's why you need to clone it and then check out to the branch and then patch your dependence. Like there's some instructions here. Just do that and it will build. So that's that. But I'm gonna use it like I'm just gonna mention it in my upcoming talk anyway. So that was a good experimentation. So yep. But yes, feels super work in progress, and it literally says experiment in the repo description. So yeah, it's an experiment. Nice experiment though. Like yeah, just servo and ratatouille together, just imagine, would be great. So yeah, we have that thing now. Let me run the demo. I like new experimental positions always. I think you're talking about CSS, like position and elements or something like that, right? Like new CSS features have stuff like that probably. So okay, good man. Okay, we're still not quite there with this implementation, because the hyperlink is just, what is this, dude? No one uses a phone this freaking long. What is this thing supposed to mean? iPhone 11 Pro Max. What the hell? This is, nah, this is too long, dude. Hit that like button now. Yes, guys, hit that like button. You need those those likes, okay? Help out the homie a little bit. We're just grinding, help out. Okay, this is a... Yeah, okay, we are back at where we started actually. We're back at where we started. So we have... What do we have here? Pre-render, update grid. I think the reason why this is not updating the hyperlink position is because of the... let me check once again. Where did we actually handle the hyperlink? Now that I think of it. I think it was in pre-render, right? Flush. Okay, so we have this draw function, right? When you resize, this is being run. And this is basically removing the grid. Basically like clearing everything on the screen. And also clears the cells. And creates a new grid. Creates a new buffer. So that's the previous buffer. I'm not sure if we need that actually. Hold on. Okay, we need that. Maybe it would make sense if we just remove the diffing check, like diff check, and render everything always. In that case, I can see the problem more clearly, because right now I have 3 or 4 functions in my hand, and I need to mentally find my way around which one is called first and which one is causing a problem and which one is updating the state and so on. It's a bit hard. I'm gonna just remove the diff stuff here. So update grid. Just gonna remove the diff, right? Now this will draw everything always, no diff checks. You see, there we have the link, but when I resize it, it not only corrupts, but the link disappears, right? That's the issue. But if I resize it back, at some point, it appears again. So I don't know, that's very weird. That's like very weird. Maybe it's because of my dark reader. Probably not though. Probably not though. Let me try. Okay, this is actually... Oh, was it because of the dark reader? Oh my god. What is going on? Okay. Sometimes it is working and sometimes it does not. As always. Let me bring back the diff. This is not super bad, I think. I think I can just go ahead with this. My dark reader extension was just causing some issues with the rendering, as always. So I'm gonna clean this up a bit. I'm just going to clean up the comments. a bit. So I see some similarities here. Grid remove, cells clear, this thing, and also maybe not body append child. Do I need to create a new grid every time I resize? Hold on, let me try this out. I'm just trying to like simplify the logic here because we have a bunch of stuff going on at the same time. Oop. What did I do? Yeah, basically have to create a new grid every time. Okay. Get size buffer, previous buffer. Okay, I see. How about I don't do that and so this is basically doing the same thing, but in the new function. We create a new element. We set some attributes on it. We reset the buffer, previous buffer, and cells. Here, it's the same. Remove the grid, clear the cells. Okay. So I'm basically going to go ahead and have a function for this. Let's call it reset grid, right? And it is the same code here. Get size buffer. Okay, grid is going to be an element. How do I create an element, like an empty element? Now that I need to do that, because it's gonna be empty at first, then we're gonna populate it with the element. Is there a default? I don't think there's a default for this. I never thought hyperlinks could be so problematic in this project. Man, we have other stuff coming up. We have other like CSS and like other HTML elements probably. Those will be even more difficult to handle. And I'm not even talking about like handling hyperlinks in a proper way. Right now I just render them. Like you have a link, you just render them. But what if you want to have like a custom text, you know? So yeah, there isn't seem to be a element default or new or something. Nah, okay. Just like, okay, just create a new one then. A div is an empty element, as I know. I don't know how to create that in this context. Element. Let's see the return types from the ref root as ref. It's element by ID. This returns an option, right? Okay, that won't work here. I guess that's what I'm gonna do for now. Get size buffer. This will be just an empty vector. Okay. I'm just gonna call backend reset grid. Yes, sir. And we're gonna go ahead here. Self reset grid. There we go. It's cleaner now. Okay, let's try it out. I hope I didn't break anything. Seems fine. This little bug is still there, but okay, that's fine too. Okay, it's working. Okay, what else I want to do here? Let's see. Let me remove that. Maybe I can move that here too. Remove these console log stuff. I think this is enough. Okay, gonna mend this commit. Push it, force push it, don't do this at home, as I always say, and go back here. Set dark reader on because I don't want to blind you. I know that you get this flashbang sound effect from Counter-Strike playing in your head. Sorry for that. Okay, this should be good. I mean, it's a good start anyways. I can always fix this later. Famous last words. Where's my where's the button for making this ready for review? No one's going to review it. That's the beauty of these solo projects. It's not a solo project, but like it's like kind of a solo project. So GitHub has dark theme, by the way. Yeah, I know. And yeah, just gonna YOLO this thing. Once this is successful. You know what, just gonna YOLO this now. Feed backend. There we go. Guys, you know what, I just realized I have many unwraps in this code. Let me fix that now. I think it's time that we actually fix those unwraps, because I don't want to push a broken like panicking left and right type of code to create IO. Okay, that's not my standards. Those are just bad. So gonna just do that now. Where do I start though? Let me start from the DOM backend. Okay, unwrap. First of all, new. It's new thing. Let's use a result. What is the? Okay, this is an option. That's bad. These are all options, by the way. Create element. This is a result. What's the result? JS value. Wait, the error value is just JS value. What? Why? What is JS value? I think we have a reference to that somewhere. JS value representation of an object owned by JS. A JS value doesn't actually live in Rust right now, but actually in a table owned by the WASM bindgen generated JS glue code. Eventually, the ownership will transfer into WASM directly, and this will likely become more efficient, but for now it might be slightly slow. Dude, this is so cursed. I mean, look at this. Phantom data, not at all thread safe. Oh my god, okay. So, okay, Rust JS value error. Let's see if somebody actually created a error handling library or something like that that we can just use. Okay, JS error. Dude, it's not, the functions are not using JS error. What is this? You can use this error to derive display implementations. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do eventually. To allow JavaScript code to catch on your errors, only your errors, you may wish to add a subclass of error in a JS module that implement into JS value. What the hell? Okay, what's the proper way of handling errors in WebAssembly? Exception handling. Dude, we are reading the V8 changelog now. This is too deep. It's not really clear to me still. What? So, hold on. Let me try to handle that myself. Document, unwrap, that's fine. So, let's try this. This will return let me add this error. We're gonna create an error module here. By the way, I don't know why these are public and these stuff aren't. But anyways, I guess. Okay, error. Let me yoink this error code. My cat doing. Just gonna yoink this. And gonna return result self and error. Error being create error. Okay, what's the thing now? From JS value for error. Okay, how do I convert that to error then? Somebody must have done this before. JS value, this error. There should be some example somewhere. Come on. I want to figure this out myself. Saturday wasn't binding. What? What is that? It's getting deep in the rabbit hole. Native Saturday adapter for wasn't binding. Dude, no, I don't want to use some hacky stuff like that. Okay. Dude, do I have to just call toString on this and then use that? Doesn't even implement error, right? From Saturday. Dude, you know what? The ultimate trick when it comes to finding your way around something that seems like a bit cursed is just searching GitHub, okay? So I'm just gonna search GitHub. So what am I searching for? From JS value this error. Let's see. Not asking Copilot. I mean, what am I gonna ask? It's super clear problem, but I don't think Copilot would help here. This is not really. No. Nope. Nope. Okay, just search JS value this error. Alright, this seems like a good module. Dynamic casting error. So people just use, I guess, this error as is. No conversions, nothing. Okay. How about this one? Oh, it's just converting to a string and using that. Okay. I guess this is something generic, so I can just do that too. Okay, this is also interesting. It's just other error for this project. Okay, I got a rough idea. What I'm gonna do is basically wait, which one was it actually? So error. Let me leave this empty for a second. I'm gonna go ahead and do something like JS value. And here I'm gonna do something like from, yeah, go back to DOM here. No need for default implementation now. All right, that's good. For the option stuff though, I'm not really sure what I can do. So this is returning an option, not a result. So we don't have an error in our hands, but we know why this might fail. Let me go back to WebSys. What is this function? Window. I hope they have more documentation on this. No. Okay, great. We're just gonna go ahead and try to figure out from here then. Dude, this is like a long ass documentation with a lot of scrolling. Okay, interfaces specifically. No. Okay, this is bad. Guys, web documentation is just horrible for some reason. We're just gonna go ahead and say something like unable to retrieve window then. Able to retrieve window. That's it. That's just explanatory enough. And just gonna convert it like that. Also do the same for unable to retrieve document. Yeah, just do the same here. Right, and yeah, go back to main. Just gotta unwrap it here, sadly, but I can always fix those. We just fixing the unwraps on the library level. That's more important as of now. So create element. I hope this is returning a result. Okay, cool. So I can just do something like this. Set attribute. I mean, everything is just returning a JS value. That's very annoying. Why not use like an error? Maybe I'm doing something wrong here. Hold on. Maybe we have some kind of a casting mechanism in JS value. It's in wasn't bindgen, right? Wasn't bindgen JS value. Okay, is there like a error? Saturday. What do you mean? Into Saturday? Because it depends on the cycle. Use Saturday wasn't bindgen. JSON stringify. Okay. So you're saying you're just gonna use we gotta use Saturday for this. But what are we gonna deserialize this thing into? You know what I mean? Like what are we gonna get from JS value? That's what I don't understand. Is there anything error related? No. Like what is JS value? Or what do I cast JS value to? It's not really clear to me right now. JS value to error maybe. I'm saying maybe you can parse with started JSON. But what am I gonna parse that into, you know? I have some JSON, but like what's the structure? So yeah. Does anybody know anything about wasn't bindgen? Enhancing error handling in wasn't bindgen with custom types for Rust. Interesting. Dude, I don't want to fuck you, man. Medium, come on. I just want to read this shit, guys. What are you fucking kidding me? What? How do I read this? Oh my god. Is there a way to not get blocked on medium. Okay, upgrade. How much is it? Fucking 5 USD per. Nah. Nah, bruh. Nah, I ain't gonna fucking pay $5 to read the rest. I'm just gonna inspect element and try to read the rest from here. Fuck you. Bruh. Literally. I'm so pissed now. Medium read without upgrade. God damn it. Use this hack to read medium. Okay, guys. Don't try this at home, okay? I don't want to get sued
So my
by
friend has
medium.
shared this amazing Medium blog link and I badly wanna read it. But you know, there's a catch. It is from FT, which is given in the description and also in the pinned comment.
Freedom CFD. That sounds like a scam. But we're gonna try it out. Breaking medium paywall. Close. Huh, that's amazing. Alright, we are in business, guys. I like it. Alright, we get the thing now. The implementation. Yeah, the time has come. You're right. But we should be back now. Discover that implementing into JS value for Rust errors enables. Okay, that's not what I want actually. That's just the other way around. I want to get my Rust error from JS value. I don't know. I need to read up on this a bit. Maybe somebody can help me out if they know more about this. Yeah, JS value, JS error. Hold on. I have another idea. Let's search for something like this on GitHub. I'm just using GitHub as a search engine. The documents create element. This will just give me fucking 5 million results. But I want the Rust ones, okay? Code. Just 200. Alright. Unwrap. People just unwrapping left and right. Unwrap throw. What? Wait. Unwrap throw? What is that? Now things getting interesting. Unwrap throw. Wait, no way. That's a thing that I don't know about Rust. Unwrap throw. Okay, interesting. Just show me the function signature. Unwraps this optional result, but instead of panicking on failure, throw an exception to JavaScript. Okay. Well, this is super weird. Unwrap throw. Dynamic into unwrap throw. What are we doing, guys? People would just unwrapping at this point. Create a. I think we have one unwrap throw. So no, we don't have it. Unwrap. Oh, this guy is doing something else. Oh, it's just returning JS value. Okay. Why this is so hard? I just want to have like a proper error handling in WASM and Rust. This guy is also just returning JS value. Maybe I should do that too, now that I think of it. But I mean, what's the difference between returning a JS value and returning a string? What is the user gonna do with the JS value? That's the problem, you know. JS value. Everyone's just using JS value. This guy is unwrapping. What a legend. JS value, freaking JS value everywhere. Okay, then I'm just gonna stick to my solution here. Maybe I can do unwrap throw though. That seems convenient. Hold on, let me try unwrap throw. This will return what? Nah, just never mind. I don't want fancy JavaScript or stuff. I'ma just stick to it. Alright, append child. This is also returning freaking JS value. Oh my god. Okay, just gonna do this then. Where are the other unwraps? Oh my god, lots of unwraps. Question mark, question mark, question mark everywhere. I should probably just replace every unwrap with question mark. At that point, that would work. Update grid. This one also returning result error. Reset grid. Fortunately, we won't be able to. Actually, we can return an IO error from this too. All I gotta do is convert the. Can I even do that? Hold on. So from. No, I want to do the other way around. From error for IO error. Just gonna call string on this. Does that work? Okay, that works. Okay, that's fine then. Everything is just unwrapping. What is this? Body. Oh, document body. Do we even call that somewhere? Yeah, I just gotta add custom error types, sadly, but that's all we can do here. What is this? Again, just JS value. Okay, what else? We only have one, I think. Just gonna panic there. Okay, we got rid of all the unwraps now. Let me trunk serve this. I should have just used bacon instead of running cargo check every time. This is running just fine. We have more stuff in. Do we have any unwraps here? No. Okay. Maybe in render we have some. Yeah, we have some unwraps, guys. But I don't think we can touch these. Hold on. Let me do the utils first. Or maybe the other backend would be better. This one, we don't need it. Just gonna result self and error. Create element, just gonna use this. Oh, okay, just gonna do that then. Get size buffer from canvas. This function seems like we can just have like a helper function for the whole block here. Something like, just rename this to canvas. Move this to. Let me do something like this. Create canvas. Or hold on. Renaming that was a mistake, I think. What is canvas and what is canvas ref? Okay. We only need a canvas here. No, we also need canvas ref. Okay, interesting. What is this then? This is element, this is canvas element. So canvas element, and let's do canvas here. No, the other way around was better. Okay, maybe just go ahead with canvas ref. Canvas HTML canvas element. Don't probably need this. Map error. Why are we ignoring the error? Okay, anyways, just extract into a function. Where is the function? So this takes a document and returns element, HTML canvas element, and canvas rendering context. Damn, that's a lot of stuff. Okay, I have an idea. I'm gonna create a canvas struct from this. So basically something like that. Struct canvas element context, and what's the other thing? Canvas yeah, this thing, and this will be the new function. So the constructor. Right. Okay. Element canvas. Okay, now we can have proper names for these. Basically, element canvas is gonna be canvas, and context is going to be just context. There you go. And we're gonna use that in canvas backend. Something like this. And finally, there we go. This doesn't implement debug. Canvas client with, what is this? Okay, canvas and canvas.canvas sounds weird. Just gonna go ahead and rename that to inner maybe. I'm going to rename all of these stuff to self, canvas, context. There we go. Element is never used. Okay, just remove it then. Why do we need that? Alright. No more element. Or maybe it was used though. No, it's not being used. Okay. Alright. Unwraps. Unwrap. So this thing will... What is this? From nothing is not implemented. Okay, sure. Let's do this then. From element. Wait, what? It's just casting, so let me do a panic instead. I don't think we can actually handle that error, so what else? Unwrap. Two unwraps. Get context with context options. So how about we do able to retrieve canvas context. Come on, Copilot. Okay, buddy. Unwrap. Do we have any other unwraps? Nope. Okay, that's cool. Gotta update the colors RGB example now, since we don't have. Where is it? Canvas backend. There we go. Also maybe demo too, because I think we have something here as well. Okay, expect. There we go. Okay. Also, I was thinking maybe I can also move this get size buffer thing to the canvas backend as well, but okay, I'll just keep it there for now. Just gonna keep grinding my way through the errors in the utils now. Okay, that's done. Oh man. The screen size should be a module itself, I think, because bunch of like hacky stuff happening there. Okay, we did that. Unwrap. It's only the window size. Okay, this one is also need to be handled. Alright, going back to here. Where's the anchor thing? Okay, anchor. Create span. What's the problem now? Okay, all good. Let's serve it again. Let's see how it looks like. Everything seems fine. Let's ship it. You have some, okay, the render stuff is still in there though. I don't know if I need to handle those as well, but let's see. I mean, if I do that, we will basically need to return an error on the render function. Is there an error in the Ratatouille's render function? Let's see. Render. I don't think there is, but no, it's not render actually. It's called draw. Yeah, it returns a result. Yeah, it returns a result. Then let's just do that here as well. Basically gonna return the result because yeah. Though I'm not really sure if we'll be able to do that because this is a closure. Wait, let me think about it. I need to log all the events. Just imagine returning an error from here. Since there's a closure, it won't return it from the function. It's not just closure, it's like a box closure and some other lifetime shit happening. So I'm not sure if that will actually work. Okay, I'll just leave that as is for now. We have unwraps in the render, main, some demos, those are fine. At least we kind of have a structured error module now. That's cool. So let me run these. Oh, okay. It's in the main, right? Hold on, main, okay. So let me fix those. Set document title, I think that's the one. Okay. No, this won't work. Okay. Oh, we gotta update readme too. Okay, this should be fine. Feed error, add error module. Let's push it. Add error module. Also handles some unwrap in the backends and utils. I'm just gonna create a new release now and try out the website. Actually, before the website, maybe we can also add support for modifiers like this one. Let me try to do that real quick. So format count counter. Let me try to make this thing bold. So try it. Wait, where's the title? Oh, this isn't readme. What am I doing? I'm just changing readme. Gotta do that here instead. Wash Let me actually copy this thing in the description of the commit. Boom. Unwraps gone. Kinda. Alright, what else? Let me pull this now. Trunk serve. I added a bold title. See if it's gonna be bold actually. Where is it? Yeah, this is not bold, is it? Nope. Just not bold. I don't know what's wrong with my internet. Just disconnected and connected again. I dropped 470 frames during that period. It's not much, but that was a subtle cut. Just saying. Okay. I guess I need to just go here and in the create span function. What is this? Style. So hold on. Small PowerPoint moment. Yeah, man. Oh my god. Color RGB, background color, inline. What is this? It's actually not color. It's actually a style. Get cell style as CSS. Foreground color, background color. How do I make this thing bold? CSS bold span. Okay, I don't know. Okay, guys, I just don't know, so gotta check it. So font weight just bold. Okay, that's it. So cell modifier. Can I just do that? Let's just do something like cell if cell modifier contains oh, okay. Let's mutable modifier style string new. I'm gonna just do that actually. Foreground style, background style, modifier style. So something like this would probably work. Oh my god, we can do slow blink too. Okay then, let's try it out. Build failure. Get cell color as CSS. That's now style. Okay, we have bold text now. How about that? Look at this. It is bold. Font weight bold. How about bold and italic? That worked, I think. Bold. Let's do just italic. Yeah, that works. How about the other stuff that I just added? Where is it? Rapid blink. Reversed. That's not gonna work. Let's do dim. Let's do dim. Let's see how it looks like. That also works. Wow. That was easy. How about the other stuff? Let me close these modules. Italic, underlined. Let's do underlined. Underline also works. Slow blink. That's gonna be interesting. Slow blink is now working because I'm using it for the hyperlink stuff, I think. Widgets. Yeah, I'm using slow blink for the hyperlink. That's just sad. Rapid blink, let's try that one. Nope, it's not working. It's not doing anything. Okay, that was needed anyways. What else? Let me see the modifiers. Reversed. Maybe hidden and crossed out would be nice to have. Hidden and crossed out. Let me do hidden. If that works. Crossed out, bold, italic, and dim. That works. Okay, everything is working now. Get cell color for canvas. We should probably do the same for canvas now. Let me go ahead and switch to the canvas backend. Canvas backend. The padding is not right on this. I'm gonna increase the padding. Not to 5. Okay. Want to see a cool effect? I'm just gonna do 20. Let's do 2020. Still not great. But we can at least like support modifiers. Get cell color for canvas. Okay, colors are just strings now. Set bold. How do I set stuff to bold? Oh, I need to change the font. Okay, not gonna get into that. Not gonna get into that. That's it's too much. Just gonna support this in DOM backend for now, I think. Because that's easy. Let me copy the main arrays to examples, Pong, source, main. Also, the imports are wrong. Pong, source, main. Just gonna use this from Ratzilla, not from Ratatouille. So gonna remove all the Ratatouille stuff from here. Something's must be complaining now. No. Okay, trunk serve again. Okay, then just copy that to Pong. No, it's not import stylize, come on. Just import that from Ratzilla. No, okay, it's not gonna do it. I gotta do it by hand. Stylize. What are you building? I am building a framework for creating websites that look like terminal. So let me show it to you 1 second. So the catch is you write Rust using use a library called Ratatouille, and then you can basically build a website from that. We have a demo here. So this is old Rust. When you serve it, you'll get a website looking like this, and you can just build the artifacts and serve it on web. So that's what we're doing here right now. If you want to check it out, here's the project. So yeah, okay, that's that. Pete support modifiers and DOM backend. you put this as your YouTube post, I can't watch it right now, but I want to know what you did later. Sure, all the streams are recorded. You can watch them later on my channel. Support text modifiers in DOM backend. No problem. This is actually style modifiers. Have a nice day, you too, man. Implemented it for DOM backend in 32. We should do the same for canvas. Address is 29. Just squash it. Okay, I think I'm ready for cutting and release now. Use classes in search and use classes directly. Okay. Let's cut a new release, guys. What is this gonna be? 000 alpha. Alpha 3. Pre-release, publish. Oh, I didn't update the version. God damn it. God damn it, stop. Cancel. Okay, git fetch. Let me bump the. Oh, I'm just committing on the wrong branch. God damn it! I'm just very distracted. Okay, cherry pick that, but I didn't. Oh my god! Guys, it's late. All right, I gotta be more careful. Push. Okay, now it's gonna run again, hopefully. Then I made a mistake in Git, I just cry. Does that help? Because I can try that too. Doesn't help. Just sad. It is just sad, man. Okay, I'm done with that. With those changes, I'm gonna go back to the terminal, collect the website thing now. Let's bump the version here. Go back to the code. This code was just very ugly. Bump Gradzilla. What is darling? I saw darling in darling core. Proc macro library for reading attributes into structs. Okay. Okay, this is the website now. Let me resize. Yeah, it kind of works. The hyperlinks are not working though. So here's the problem with this website. Constraints are not really correct. Because you see, there's like a huge space here. I want to fix that. I think it's because of not calculating stuff well. But this is the whole content. My cat just woke up and going back to sleep again. Okay, cool. Description. First of all, this banner area, description area, and stuff like that, these are just the content does not fit the block here. I don't like that. Let me try to fix it. So this last line, especially, maybe I need to just bump it one character more. Yeah, that kind of worked. But for this size, where's the last word here? Where is it? I don't know, it's not like precise. The area of it. Okay, this should be just area. No. The text wrapping thing is not working well. Wrap. Let me do -2. Because I mean we have one block on each, the one like column on each side. So terminal and its ecosystem. This wrapping is not correct. Why did you wrap here? Maybe I'm just using the wrong area though. I don't know. It's just weird. It's the horizontal area. Meow. Yeah, meow. My meow is just sleeping. Right there. I cannot show it to you, but I need to turn the camera around. Our goal is to create a space. Okay, that's just... This looks kind of okay, but when you change it... Why do you wrap... You see what I mean? Like, why there's a wrap here? Doesn't make sense to me. It's kind of better. Let's just do 4 lines. It's still not enough. This is just weird. I don't know. Let me add empty new line, empty line. So now this line wrap seems correct. I resized it a bit. Still correct. And it's wrong. I really don't get why this happens. I used the text wrap in another project. Let me see how I use it. I just use like a width as usual. It's not something special. Dude, what the hell? This seems actually fine now. all I gotta do was just add 15 as an offset, and now it is fine. Okay. I'm gonna add some style to it. Maybe not add a prompt on each line. I'm getting an index out of bounds panic when resizing the width. Okay. Next out of on which module? Is it in the backend? Are you using the DOM backend? Maybe just create an issue real quick. I can take a look now. Description. Okay, the banner should, I don't know, hold on. Links. DOM backend is default. Well, yeah, I think it's the default. If you use just trunk serve, it will use the DOM backend. But yeah, I can check it out. 1 second. This looks so bad, by the way. This code. Why there's this thing, first of all, inner margin. Like, don't need to do this. We do enough bad stuff already here, so. Description, banner area, okay. What happens if I render the background now? Background area. So X, I should decrement that. Y, decrement that. Hold on, let me try to do this. Oops, okay, not 44, just 4. Okay, I need to figure out the height now. I think the height should be... how do I calculate the height? I can do something like, okay, I have an idea. Let constraints right, constraints, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the constraints for calculating the height. What is C here? Constraint. Let me see, how do I get the value from constraints? Constraint. It's a struct. No, it's an enum. So are you porting servo to CLI? Not yet. But we will get there eventually, I think. We are now trying to port Ratatouille to web, and then we will port servo to terminal so that we can browse our Ratatouille, browse the websites built with Ratatouille in the terminal using servo. That's the plan. Because we are just bored. I'm gonna go ahead and length percentage ratio fill 0. You can probably do this here. +2. Okay. Oh, okay, it's wrapping the content now. That's nice. Let me +3 this. So that will be padding. Okay. That's good. That looks kind of ugly. But it works. It's too long as a, like it, the width is just too long. I gotta tweak that a little bit. Horizontal, what is this? What happens if I make this 20? Make it like 60 maybe. 50. How about 50? Oh, 60 was great. Okay, that's it, I think. I'm gonna push this, wait for the deployment, and check this on my phone, because mobile is always a problem. Sadly, it is. Improve the constraints. Let's push it. Okay, it's deploying it. It should be fast. But I don't have a cache, so yeah, let's see. It has been deployed, everybody. Let me check this on my phone. It's gonna look so bad, probably. Yeah, it's been. Yep, it is not good on my phone. Why does this look like this on my phone? Wait, I'm curious. How about we use Canvas backend for this? There won't be any hyperlinks if we do that, but yeah, these are not clickable. Okay, at least it looks good on browser, so okay, I'm gonna make this code look better now. Background area. Render background. Okay. This is the banner. Render banner. Render description. Render meetups. And finally, render links. There you go. Looks way better now. Refactor the UI. Everything is just text, actually. When you think about it, we're just working with text, characters. That's it. Very simple. I'm basically transforming the text inside this file into another text on the browser, and the browser itself is just text. All the HTML elements, everything, they're just text, actually. The pixels on the screen, that's not text though. But all the things that we can visually consume, they're simply text. We're just consuming different kinds of text. Plain text. I think plain text has a big potential. We don't really realize it. We're just lost in our little dreams where we have the fancy UIs, fancy animations, shiny things. But in reality, it's all boils down to plain text, okay? I'm just losing my mind. Okay, that's it, guys. This is so deep. Just think about it. The thing that you call terminal is something that shows you some text. The browser is also shows you literally just text. Look at this. Imagine you're colorblind. What are you gonna see? Just text, right? So colors actually bloat. You don't need colors. You don't need all these things that will distract you from your purpose. You might be asking, what is my purpose? Your purpose is just to grind. You're a machine, don't forget that. You're not even real. You're not even real. You're not hearing me right now. You're not seeing. You're just consuming text. You're watching me right now, and all you see is text being transformed into video, which is another form of text being displayed on your screen, and you're consuming that. So I am a text. I am actually just made made out of characters at this point. Prophecy of the brand. Embrace the plain text. It is true. You cannot deny it. Everything and everyone, they are just plain text. So we have the website now. It's also plain text. Is there a game of life? Yeah, we have game of life. 4 years ago though. How are you doing, Transistor? I need a simple implementation that I can just steal. This looks great actually. I take that back. This is literally made out of emojis. Why so many files? I just need a librs, board rs, main rs, update rs. Spick and span perfectly in my lane. Hydrated, unbothered. Good to hear that you're hydrated. Guys, I just need a single file. Just a single librs and that's it. Come on. What is this? Rat UI? Kind of good. Alright, this is good. What do you have in main? Oh, it's using a canvas widget. Guys, I think I can just adopt this to the website and have some cool animations. Let me clone it and see if it still works. It's not great. Just use the latest version of everything. Cross term. You won't need cross term anyways. Just run it, come on. What is that? Just remove cargo lock then. Always remember, if something goes wrong, just remove cargo lock. Okay, marker. Where's the marker? Import that, cargo run. No, this ain't good. This one was the emoji one, right? Why do you use emojis, my man? Can I even customize that? Yeah, I can customize that, okay. Let me check this out. I like that there's a librs for it. Let's see. Maybe I can just use it out of the box. Bunch of links. Oh. Okay, run it. Nothing's happening. Am I just blind or... Okay. Now we're talking, guys. So what do I need to do here? What's the name of the cell, state, and grid? Can you simply just start everything when I run it? Run. Just run through. And also it's a good example of using Rustlang asynchronously with requests without blocking the UI. I'm using channels and it works, but not sure if it's the best implementation as I'm new to Rust. Hello, Adam. There is one in the repo. I think it was called async GitHub. It's not using request though, but you can just use request probably. This is basically fetching some data from GitHub, and it's using Octocrab for that, and Octocrab uses request under the hood. So this will help you out, most likely. Just check it out and let me know if this is good or not. I can find something else probably. Adam, what's poppin', man? No problem. I don't know why we are using these emojis. Also, this is so fast. But I think it's fine. So let me just use it in the website. I'm curious how this will turn out. So what's the name of this library first of all? Game of Life. The Game of Life path. Game of Life. Okay. Build. Just need to call cycle on each run. And cycle is doing what? That. Okay, that's easy. And how do I render it? Grid is, oh, this lines. So it's a paragraph, essentially. Yeah. Okay. Let's go ahead into main. Create a new grid. Come on. What? You want usize? Okay, got usize then. Can I just call into maybe? Yeah. They make others miserable and only think of themselves. Dude, what did you just say? I'm trying to understand if that's related to what I'm doing or not. This guy just said something very deep and disappeared. Okay, RC, rough cell, we got that. I don't think we need that actually. Hold on. And what do we do? We just run cycle, I guess. Grid cycle. No. What is cycle doing? Update. Update states, and the last thing that we need to do is go to, okay, just gonna copy that and maybe here somewhere. Yeah, just render it, dude. Just render it. Grid text. Frame render widget. Yeah, there you go. But rendered that on the whole area. Okay, gonna be interesting. God damn it. Oh my god. I would check. Dude, I don't want to have a main here. Just remove main. Okay, remove the main. Now what? Says cross term. Why are you still trying to add cross term? Oh, it's because of this. Okay. Then now. Oh my god, random. Random is not working. How did I fix this on the demo? Because I know that I fixed it. Godzilla demo. What did I do there? Random small RNG, yeah. Basically did that here, so gonna do that once again. Small RNG. How do I create a random number then? Rand small RNG random. Gen range. I don't know, 100. Wait, what is this doing? What is the default range for the random function? Dude. How is this even possible? Cell state. Oh, distribution. That's why. That is why. Okay. So gotta just do that. There you go. Please work now. Okay, all should be good. Fingers crossed. No way. No way. No way. Oh my god. Looks cool though. Looks cool, guys. Freaking emojis everywhere. Freaking emojis everywhere. Game of life. Game of life. Oh my god. Okay, we need a proper Unicode cell character. Just give me like a block or something. Maybe it's slow because of the emoji. I don't know. Let's try. Let's do X. I mean, it's kind of better. The problem is, why is it rendering on top of everything else? That's just weird. I mean, let me remove all the text. It's just rendering inside the block. What? Why? Oh, is it because of my... No, I don't think so. Let me render the background first. Nothing changed. Dude, what the hell? Oh, maybe I need to... Wait, I have an idea. Basically, what I'm gonna do is... just gonna render clear. Clear widget. It's like a pop-up, you know. Okay, there you go, finally. Now we're talking. Okay, guys, what do you think? How does it look? We have some game of life happening in the background from X characters. Maybe I can do 0 instead. It's really nice, beautiful, thank you. Actually, 0 kind of made it worse. Or maybe it's fine. The colors are not great though. Let me use some actual colors. Oh, so many zeros. How do I change the color? Foreground this and background this. No, do not set the background actually. Too much yellow. Sorry, too much green. Matrix. I need some good colors for this. But I mean, either way, we make it happen. We can also like render other animations too. How about like gray or something? And 10. It's too gray. Let's do 100. Use mouse as a lifestyle. Okay, let's do that. Oh my god. Guys, rat infestation happening in the website right now. Oh noes. Oh noes. Maybe we can add this as a Easter egg. That would be fun. No rats. Bunch of rats. Also, we can do something like rust. Yeah, there you go. Maybe images are broken because of they contain multiple bytes. Yeah. That's the reason. This looks not that bad actually. How do I configure the character? Where is it? Live. Yeah, display. Okay, cell state. What happens if I remove this? It's not configurable because of the... Okay, I'm gonna make this thing configurable. Your supercilious behavior is quite discouraging. That sounds like a rat shaker code. Display cell state. But for now I think it's fine. Let's just go ahead and add this thing to our project. Of course I'm gonna give credit and also going to contribute back. We don't have a license yet though. Famous last words. It's MIT. Okay, we gotta use MIT now. game of life. What is the file name, dude? Adapted from here. This will look so bad on mobile though. Like I'm like 100% sure it's just gonna look atrocious. But it's fine. Render game of life. Cannot move? What do you mean? Okay, let's check. Print is not even used. What is print? Let me serve it once again and check if this is still running fine. I mean, I can change the color a bit, I think. Or wait, is this the correct color? Yeah, I think this is fine. You can always tweak this, and I gotta like upstream my changes anyways. One second. Okay, I'm back. Okay, just ahead of 8 commits. What? Oh, that's because I'm on the wrong branch. Anyways, it's been pushed. Let's see how it's gonna look on mobile. It's gonna look so bad. I bet it's gonna happen. Come on. Deploy it. Okay, it's a bit slow because of the extension. Okay. There you go. You have your website. Let me check on mobile now. It's not even loading. It is not even loading on mobile. Desktop site. Completely broken. Can someone also check? For me, it's completely broken on mobile now. Nope, it's dead. Looks good on browser though. What is broken? I missed. I'm just checking this website on my phone, and it's broken. I was asking if someone can also check and let me know. Same on Firefox on iPhone. Same as in, is it broken? Only black screen, yeah, okay. It's not me. Only, okay, it's been... It is broken. How about on like a desktop? Like black screen, Firefox, Android, god damn it. Thank you for checking, by the way. Is it because of the performance or something? Oh, because of the size of the canvas, maybe. Hold on. Oh, there's a crash, that's why. That's why. Okay, guys, thank you for checking. We have a crash. Is there an unwrap somewhere? Or is there like a direct access to some index, something like that? Yeah, I think this is crashing. Works on Chrome on desktop, thank you. Okay, let me fix the crash and let's see. Flashbang. Babe, wake up, Orhun has animations on. Love the stream, thank you, man. I was a bit concerned because chat was not that active and I feel like I'm a bit low energy. So I was thinking maybe it's been a bit boring. But yeah, good to hear that, thank you. Where's my librs? Now, to see the panic, I gotta add this thing called console error panic hook. This will just basically dump any error, any panic onto the console of the browser. That is why we need that. Okay, let's see. Index outside of buffer. Is it because I'm miscalculating the area or something? Let me actually render this on. One second, I'll fix it. No, it's not about that. Weird. Maybe it's not about game of life at all. Yeah, it's not about game of life. It's about something else. Interesting how quickly game of life gets into a stable state. Yeah, I think it's because of the FPS and also some configuration here as well, I think. I'm not sure. Maybe we can tweak it somehow. I don't know how to tweak it yet, but we can probably. So it's because of the background calculation. It's crashing because of that. So if you look at this thing, area, let's see, 1525. Maybe I gotta do this. We have a clamp method that we can just use to fix those problems, I think. Yes, that worked. So let me refresh. Enable game of life. Okay. All right. Deploying. The cat just woke up again. and going to sleep again. The cat being a cat. Okay, deployed. Let's see. Wait, this is just black screen now. Did I just break everything? Oh, okay. Now we can check on mobile again. It shouldn't be like broken all the way, but it should be still broken. Yeah. It is still broken, but in a cool way. Yeah, the formatting is messed up. I don't know why that happens. I need to fix that. So yeah. And if I fix the formatting, everything is gonna be ready for the launch, or the release, or the announcement, whatever. Yeah, the squeezed, and also yeah, the what do you call it? The spacing between the cells is not right. But I mean, this is good progress, guys. It's been fun. I'm gonna go now. Close all the tabs, everything. I am so done. It's been what? Almost 3 hours. I didn't stand up or move any part of my body except fingers for 3 hours straight. W progress. Thank you, Ferris. Good night. Thanks for putting in the effort. Of course, man. We're just grinding. Somebody on the internets. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in, bearing with me today. I might continue my adventure tomorrow. We'll see. Except the what? Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go now. So take care. And see you soon, I guess. Good night, good day, whatever. Keep grinding, okay? See you around. Ciao.